EnterprisingYou is a fully funded programme of business support where clients can come on programme and access one-to-one support from a business advisor, and they can also access fully funded workshops to help with their business and implement new strategies for the business. We run fully funded workshops for marketing, social media, health and wellbeing, podcasting, you name it, we've got a workshop for it.
So today's quite a unique event actually. Wellbeing is something we all sort of sometimes take for granted, but when we went back to COVID and we originally launched EnterprisingYou, there was that wellbeing offer, and we found at the time that we were actually inundated with people that needed that support. So we carried on making that offer available. When you're self-employed, there's nobody else who's going to turn up and do your job for you. You've got to do it. So it's crucial that you look after yourself, you're self-aware, you know when to take those breaks, when to recharge and re-energise.
I do believe that in the self-employed and the freelancer world, there isn't a lot of well-being taken on board, and that's why we've brought people together to put this event on today.
I think the most important thing that people can take away from today is the idea that they can be supported and that they will be supported very well. Being self-employed can be a very lonely place sometimes. All the pressure is on you, you own the business, and it's good to know that there's somebody that can work with you. So we don't own people's businesses, we don't manage people's businesses, we don't walk in their shoes, but what we can do and what we endeavour to do is to walk beside them.
I think well-being is important because as a human being we need to take care of ourselves, and especially if you are not just running business, you've got other things, other circumstances. So being a mom, dad, you need to consider that if your cup is empty, you can't give to people around you. For example, I'm a mom of 3, and my well-being is as important, and I ensure to do as much as I can. But sometimes you might not even know what to do. So, but asking and listening to other people might be of advantage. So in terms of my personal well-being and as well within my business.
I think it's been really important today because it's reminded me of a lot of things that are important to my well-being. It's reminded me to put them into practice, some new tips and techniques that I will take on board, so that I know I'm always going to be in, I would say, the best frame of mind, and have the best health in all areas. Self-employed
people have everything to gain and nothing to lose by being on our programme. Many people are not aware that such a fully funded programme exists for people in Greater Manchester, and you've only got to speak to the people who have been through our programme to know what beneficial effect it has on them. The point about it is you can take from it what you want. You don't have to take everything, you can just take what you want, and we can help to steer you into the right direction.
EnterprisingYou has been running since March 2020. We've delivered it all the way through COVID. We've had some amazing results with people who've increased turnover, increased profitability, and long may that continue through the new EnterprisingYou programme. It's well worth coming on, it's fully funded, and everybody can learn something, so please register.